Your mission, should you choose to accept, is to go to local area islands and solar cook on them.
I accept. Alright guys, there is basically no privacy factor here, and I don't really see any eggs. I don't feel like I'm disturbing any birds, but it's just not the kind of island that I really feel like I could hang out at for a very long time. So we're just gonna do this bread and get done with it and get out of here. I'm not feeling this island. Possible place you could set up a bivy sack, but in the middle of the daytime here, just not great. So normally I'd take a little more time and set up my table, but like I said, I just want to get out of here, so let's just go ahead and do this. Cheapo stuff, as always, leave no trace, right? So we're just going to take this and slap it in, or it goes on. Oh yeah. Nice long French bread. Alright guys, here's the French bread. It's gonna have to finish in the car because I am getting eaten alive here by ants. It's ridiculous. I'm back at the house. It's actually been quite a bit of time since I was on the island. What happened basically, you can't really see it too well, but a whole bunch of smoke came over from the Cameron Peak fire, and I was also getting eaten alive by ants. But I'll go ahead and show you. Basically, I kind of pulled it out and rearranged it, but this is my finished French bread. We're still at 142, but yeah, I'd say it's done. Next island will be a better island, I promise.